So every morning at 6:30 a.m. I take the car and drive through RE. It's the same stretch, the same song and the same road. And just for those 15 minutes, it feels amazing. It feels like the city has paused and I can just breathe. Hi, my name is Bhanu and I'm an ad filmmaker. So back then I used to drive a manual and I really used to hate the traffic. I think with the Slavia, it has not only made the drive better, it has also made the city easier for me. The moment I step inside, I just feel that I've stepped into something smarter, be it the infotainment or just like how the interiors of the car feel. So it just feels like a home away from home. Even in my personal life, the car fits in very effortlessly because we've started going on a lot of long drives, which was not the case before. So it's usually me, my dog Gullak and my wife. And as soon as we sit in the car, he just owns the back seat. I think the car just feels very safe and secure and it's very dependable. And just for all moments of my life, it's always there. I think for someone who hates traffic, I've come a long way. And I think I've finally found the right car.
Skoda.